Children, welcome you in the bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Children, you know all the living beings need food. No one can survive without food. Therefore, living organisms are divided into two groups. One is autotrophs, and other is heterotrophs. Autotrophs means they can prepare their own food. They can synthesize their own food from simple inorganic substances to trap radiant energy of the sun. But in the heterotrophs, they are not able to prepare their own food. They depend for the food on others. They depend for the food on other living organisms or dead organic matters. So children, here you have to study about the autotrophs. So you have to know who are autotrophs, who can prepare their own food. All the green plants are autotrophs. Why they are autotrophs? Green plants have photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll. Due to presence of photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll, they are autotrophs. Chlorophyll is found in a cell organelle. That cell organelle is chloroplast. In this cell organelle, photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll is found. So, this pigment can trap radiant energy of the sunlight and convert it into chemical energy, and that energy is stored in organic compound. So the process by which this chlorophyll containing plant cells produce food, that is organic compound, is the glucose, to utilize carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight, is called photosynthesis. So children, you have to learn, you have to understand what is photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is the process by which living plant cell containing chlorophyll produce food substances from carbon dioxide and water by using light energy. During this process, oxygen gas is given out as a waste product of the photosynthesis. So children, you understood what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which living plant cell containing chlorophyll produce food substances from carbon dioxide and water by using light energy. And during the photosynthesis, oxygen gas is given out. So in the photosynthesis, what are the raw materials? Raw materials of photosynthesis are raw materials which they are using, that is carbon dioxide and water. These two are the raw material. What is the source of energy? So source of energy is the sun. Primary source of energy is the sun. radiant energy of the sun is stored in the form of chemical energy in organic food substance, that is glucose, in the glucose. So glucose is the end product of the photosynthesis. But beside the glucose, there two more products are formed, that is oxygen and water. So these are the byproducts, not waste, because they are very useful. The site of photosynthesis is the chloroplast. Photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast. Chloroplast is the cell organelle which is found in the plant cell, and in that the process of photosynthesis occurs. Children, now you have to know what are the importance of photosynthesis. Importance of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is very important. How you can say it is very important? The first reason is photosynthesis is ultimate source of energy and food for living beings. Photosynthesis provide food for all the living beings. Either living beings belong to any group. Only photosynthesis is the ultimate source. It will provide the food for all. Directly or indirectly, all depend for the food on the green plants, and green plants prepare the food by the process of photosynthesis. Second is, during photosynthesis, oxygen gas is given out. This oxygen gas is life supporting gas. Without this gas, no living being can survive. And living beings are using oxygen gas continuously. But from where? It comes in the atmosphere. So it is coming only by photosynthesis. When green plants are making the food, so they release oxygen gas. Therefore, if you want, there should not be shortage of oxygen. There must be continuous supply of oxygen. Then we have to grow more and more green plants. Otherwise, there will be shortage of oxygen and we cannot survive. No living being can survive without oxygen. So, children, you understood? To survive, food and oxygen are very essential, very important, and both who are giving green plants. So therefore green plants are very important to us. We should grow more and more green plants.